I think some of the best travel experiences come when you venture off the beaten path, because that's where you'll be able to experience unique stuff and take away a lot of memorable things. My name is Suresh Doss, and I'm a food writer out of Toronto. So the buffalo milk is a very important ingredient in the South because they use it to create a very, very popular item in the South called the buffalo milk curd. And it's a very, very creamy, luxurious yogurt dish that is usually served with a treacle, which is like a honey. They take a piece of the curd, they pour the treacle on it, and they eat it for breakfast or for dessert. And it's like no other curd you've probably ever had in your life. It was quite amazing to see the process that goes into creating this iconic buffalo curd dish. We had to travel out of town to see the buffalo herds, which were kept far outside of the cities, deep in the Sri Lanka National Forest. So it was a very, very hot morning, and we walked and we saw buffaloes grazing on the grass, and we saw some of them in the water. There were birds everywhere. There's a herd of about 200 cattle and just a few farmers that milk the cows every day. And not a lot of people get a chance to see this. So we got a really, really up close and personal look at the farmers farming and milking the water buffaloes. We checked out the buffaloes, and then we walked into the producer's house, and you see 5 or 6 pots filled to the top with buffalo milk, and you see 5 gentlemen, like shirtless because it's so hot there with the wood fire and everything. So the milk is heated, it's boiled, and then it's poured onto these clay pots and let to cool overnight. So by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, all 475 or so of these will be sold out. They'll start all over again with another 520 liters to make a whole new batch. Sri Lanka has so many great things to offer, and I think it's my duty to share this culture with the rest of the world because I am Sri Lankan, and I've grown up on Sri Lankan food, and I've been told many, many stories about what it's like to live here and what's so important about Sri Lankan culture. And I think it's also a very unexplored destination, and I think if I love it so much, every experience that I'm having here is so great, I think most of the people will as well. Go visit Sri Lanka. It's got amazing beaches. It's tropical. The food is fantastic. It's not what you think it is. There's a sense of vibrancy with everything that you see, from the food to the people and to the climate. You gotta go now.